Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 3, volume 6 of the Cougar Connection. We had a great week at SMS this week, as you can tell from some of the pictures included in the connection. And we have a busy week next week. So students on Monday and parents on Monday evening, we are going to have a Washington, D.C. meeting that will be at 7 o'clock or directly after the First Responders Parade. On Tuesday, we do have Principal's Advisory Council, and that is after school at 4 o'clock. We also have a night at the museum meeting with parents at 5 o'clock that evening. On Wednesday, there is an impact meeting at 1 o'clock at Central Office, a principal's meeting, and it is also High Attendance Day. So students, we do have some things planned for you on that day, so please make sure you are at school. Thursday, teachers will have PLCs. Also, there is a counselor's cadre. Our MSU students are going to be on campus, and it is on-demand benchmark in English Language Arts. On Friday, as always, it's Bring It Friday, and your scholastic book orders are due to Miss Wagner on this day. We do want to take a moment and congratulate this week's Student Spotlight, Logan Williams. Logan is an 8th grader and a member of the Blue Barracuda team. This week, Logan has been competing in the Rocky Mountain Horse Association Internationals in Lexington at the Kentucky Horse Park. He took another first place in the 12 through 17 youth bareback class without a saddle. So Logan has been riding horses for 4 years and also training his own horse magic for 2 years. At school, Logan enjoys advanced PE and science, being in class with his friends, and the warm chocolate chip cookies at lunch. He's playing football for his 2nd year with the Cougars, where he is the tight end. He also loves fishing, swimming, four-wheeling, and basketball. So congratulations, Logan. Can't wait to see all the awesome things that you do as a Cougar this year. Parents, a few other things. These are some ongoing announcements. We do still have the Errata fundraiser going on, and we also have the middle school Bring It shirts. They are for sale if students need an extra one of those, or maybe want a hoodie. And then if you want to learn more information about Night at the Museum, that is for 7th graders only. That trip, you can scan that QR code, or if you would like to learn more about the Washington, D.C. trip, you can also scan that barcode. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.